Have you tried this crispy flour eggplant recipe? It is a new and fun way to make eggplant. It is over the top delicious and super addictive. If you haven't tried this dish, then you're definitely missing out. Let's get started. In a large mixing bowl, add the water, salt, and vinegar. The vinegar will help the eggplants remain in their beautiful purple color. The salt will help to remove some moisture in the eggplant so they become more flexible and crispier. Cut the eggplants crosswise into 2-inch pieces. Add a piece of eggplant between a pair of chopsticks. Cut it lengthwise into a crisscross pattern. Transfer the eggplants in the water mixture and soak for about 10 minutes. Also, by soaking it this way, the eggplants wouldn't be able to absorb oil as much as before, so they wouldn't be soggy and super oily. Discard the water and squeeze out the additional moisture from the eggplants. In a large bowl, add the cornstarch and rice flour. You can also replace it with all-purpose flour, but rice flour will make it crispier. Also add white pepper. Mix well. And we're gonna dip the eggplants into the mixture. In a pot over high heat, pour in the avocado oil. You can also replace it with other high smoking point oil that you enjoy. And heat it up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. Place in the eggplants. Fry until crispy for about 5 minutes. Remove and drain on a paper towel lined plate. To make the sweet and sour sauce, in a pot over medium heat, pour in the orange juice, ketchup, sugar, and salt. Whisk and bring it to a simmer. Pour in the cornstarch slurry. I have here 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water. Mix well. It's very crunchy and crispy on the outside, and on the inside it's still really soft and really tender, and the sweet and sour sauce, perfect. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you like it, subscribe and thumbs up. I'll see you again soon. Bye!